In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Notion Gallery View to show cover image. If you've ever added a beautiful cover to a Notion page and then switched to a gallery view, only to see a blank card or just text, this is a quick and tidy fix. We're going to adjust one view setting so your gallery cards use the page's cover image as their preview, exactly the way you expect. Start by opening the gallery view where the issue is happening. At the top right of the gallery, look for the settings icon. This is the control for the current view, and it's where Notion stores layout and display options that affect how your cards look. Click that settings icon to open the View Settings panel. In the panel, select Layout. Layout controls the visual style of the cards in your gallery, including size, spacing, and how content is displayed. This is the place to tell Notion what to show as the card's preview image. Now, find the option labeled Card Preview and change it to Page Cover. This setting is the key. By default, some gallery views may be set to none or to show a different type of preview, like a page's content or a specific property. Switching it to Page Cover instructs Notion to use the cover image you've already assigned to each page as the thumbnail on the gallery card. The moment you make this change, your gallery should refresh, and those cover images will appear front and center on each card. That's all you need to do. This adjustment applies to the current gallery view, so your cards will consistently display the page covers whenever you return to this view. If you have multiple views in the same database, each view can have its own layout settings, so keep in mind you can repeat this change in other gallery views if needed. This approach helps keep your workspace consistent, especially if you rely on visual cues to navigate projects, portfolios, or mood boards. To quickly recap in plain language, open the gallery's settings at the top right, go to Layout, and set Card Preview to Page Cover. Once that's done, your gallery cards will show the page cover images, giving you a cleaner, more visual overview without any extra steps or workarounds. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get your Notion gallery looking exactly the way you want.